Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the top 15 best NBA rookies 2020 rank. Number 15, Kevin Porter Jr. The last pick in the first round of the NBA draft happens to be just a lucky gamble for Cleveland. Kevin Porter Jr. has proved his worth as one of the best NBA rookies this season. With a promising scoring ability, Kevin Porter Jr. recorded 53.5% successful shooting than most players who were drafted ahead of him. Number 14, Eric Pascal. Injury blow decimated the camp of the Warriors, and that left Pascal an opportune playing time to show his worth in the court. The number 41 overall draft and forward did not fail to impress as he recorded 57% true shooting. Pascal was rated 5th among rookies due to his average 14 points per game. Number 13, Rui Hachimura. Although not as great defensively on the offense, Hachimura's scoring prowess is incredible. Great touch he possesses at the rim as well as on his mid-range jump. With the potential shown, it is likely when he pushes the boundary and becomes an efficient jumper on a three-point range, he will unlock the beast in him in his offensive play. Number 12, Cam Reddish. In his last 10 games before the pandemic interruption, Reddish recorded 16.4 points and 3-point range shots of 38.9% on average. Reddish had the highest steal rate than any of the drafted players. There is no denying the fact that Reddish's potential is one to reckon with, thus adding him to the list of the best NBA rookies to look out for the years. Number 11, Jackson Hayes. The number 8 overall draft impressed in the draft boards, resulting in the Pelicans drafting him. Although having a limited amount of playing time in the court, he still displayed intriguing performance. He is a 6 feet 11 inches center and crawls the floor in a guard-like manner combined with a rare sense of coordination and touch. Number 8, Matisse Thybulle. He was the best defensive among rookies in the 2019 or 2020 season with incredible block and steal rates. He is one of 9 players in history to post a block and steal rate above 3% on the offense. He is not as great but looks promising as a work in progress. Number 9, PJ Washington. He was a good outside shooter in his college career, and that skill set saw him transition to the NBA after he happened to be the number 12 overall pick in the NBA draft for the Hornets. He is an effective rebounder and also a good piece on the defense. Washington started all except one game for the Hornets this season. Number 8, Kobe White. The number 7 pick in the NBA draft, who is a combo guard with excellent speed and a depth shooting range ability, has shown astounding brilliance in the court this season. He recorded 7 fourth-quarter three-pointers in a win over the Knicks in November. His last 5 games saw him average 5.1 assists and 24.1 points per game. Number 7, Tyler Herro. He was drafted by the Heat at the number 13 overall pick. He is prolific when it comes to off-ball shooting at a 39% clip. Herro made 47% of his shots all from a three-point range. He already has established himself as an elite shooter of shots up. He looks promising to excel on the offense. Number 6. Terence Davis. He was an undrafted free agent. The Toronto Raptors spotted him and gave him a deal. He lived up to expectation as he became a key backup for the franchise. This season, his state average per game as per off per 100 possession are 21.7 points, 9.5 rebounds and 4.7 assists. Number 5. Michael Porter Jr. The number 14 pick of the NBA draft, who plays on the offense, was a promising prospect and caught the eye of Denver Nuggets. He averages 42% of his threes and recording 59% true shooting. He definitely possesses a great scoring prowess. Number 4. Kendrick Nunn. He was undrafted after a domestic battery charge got him voted out, but the Heat picked him up last season, giving him the opportunity to display his worth on the court, especially with the absence Jimmy Butler, who was out due to injury. He became the Heat leading scorer at 15.2 points per game, recording 54.5% per shooting. Number 3. Brandon Clarke. His fragile looking frame seems to hinder his play, but he successfully converted and allayed doubts of his physique, becoming one of the top sleepers in his stint at Gonzaga. He was the number 21 pick in the NBA draft by the Memphis Grizzlies, though he was selected with the prospect of playing in defense. Number 2. Ja Morant. He is the one explosive point guard threatening to opposition defense. His style of play shows the inside of his excellent read of the game with a stunning ability to throw a pass from any angles and churn out from a series of breaks and run scoring chances. He shoots 36.7% from his threes on 2.4 attempts per game, recording himself as a major contender of the best NBA rookie. Number 1. Zion Williamson. Zion Williamson averaged 23.5 points per game with 62.4% true shooting. His performance for a rookie was impressive, and that led to him being rated among the top 40 players in the league in just his first 19 games. The fact he misses the first half of the season only to come back, dominating the court impressively as a 19 years old is stunning. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.